received 6 more positive cases today. 6 more. See, the total positive case in Meghalaya, active cases is 50 now. All total are 50. 50. Sanpo. Madagascar, hinayo sa teligi active cases. Baru ki total active cases sa state Meghalaya dormita kilong Sanpo. East Khasiels kilong Arpukna. Yang taha Rimhoi district kilong Khatsan, Southwest Garo Hills kilong 2, East Gentia Hills 1, West Garo Hills 3. So recovered till today is 43 recovered.
The number of stranded friends from outside the state who entered Meghalaya till today afternoon is 20,470. 20,470. Okay, do you have any question on this?
Okay, before I come to the breakup, I would like to update you about the total tests done in BSF Composite Hospital Umpli. The total tests already done in the BSF Composite Hospital Umpli is 865. 600? Praspa 865. Positive cases only from BSF Umpling, there are 22.
How many?
R4R 22. Plus 1 today.
Means
23.
23, yeah. Then reported negative 563 and the result awaited for the BSF Composite Hospital Umpling 281. Ini ki Bangladesh test baru ako ki Composite Hospital ko BSF Umpling total ke Bangladesh test long praspa redusan ki positive case are fulai ke report negative long sanspa RR ke report ke baginanga ke result ke long adu aspa prapoi tapi kuat ya ke breakout
District wise.
district wise telah dibayar dan mentai gitu gimpat juga banyak i mentai Dr. Aman Waring nak percaya gitu gua mentai sini nak tinggi gitu
lagi ni hundred buat pengiyo ibai de nak kau hai at someone ide nak kau is Khasiels.
Is Khasiels there from where? BSF or where? Other 5?
What the report is that one is from BSF and the rest we are trying to find out where they are. Most of them are under quarantine in the various quarantine centers. So we are trying to find out from where exactly they have come from and where they are exactly. Kini return is Barha. Barha return is outside the state.
So can you just give us a figure like these past 2 days, how many returnees? Because the last figure I think like now that you've given is 20,000 above. So just the reason so that we can understand from there about this test, to how you come about.
Yeah, in fact the returnees till today afternoon, as I said to you, was 20,470. 20,470.
So yesterday and today, like do you have figures for day wise when they return in a day, how many returned?
No, I don't have, but more or less, not less than around 200 to 300 people keep coming on daily basis.
Terima kasih notice during the report. Maka itu di testing dan itu dalam satu belum mungkin.
Okey. Itu ibarat Pak Nagabanda test baru Nagabanda, ibarat Pak test kilong Arkway Hajar Raspa Arkulai. Those we have already sent for testing till today is 21,823. Number of person tested negative till today kilong Arkway Hajar 414. Itu kiba nginang begiyo negatif do benda kilong Arkway Hajar Raspa Katsam. Nang tade ikitu kiritunis tila de batai menat kitu entrance sebuan nako Jembar dan Meghalaya kilong Arkway Hajar Raspa Nyoko. Those returnees coming from outside Meghalaya till today, they are 20,470.
And the reserve.
Report awaited.
Huh?
Report
The
awaited.
result awaited 320. Menangap result belum expire ko.
Ini tes dengan RT-PCR.
PCR test.
Sir, Sikkim is going for random testing of all the security, say the armed force personnel in the state. Are we looking something in that line here in the back?
See, I think, see, if you talk about RT-PCR, because Sikkim, they did not do RT-PCR. Okay, that is only rapid test. Rapid test and RT-PCR is a different issue. So right now, as mentioned by Honorable Health Minister, 865 samples has been collected from the BSF hospital. Means those high-risk contact as well as the primary contacts. And then Honorable Health Minister has already told you the total positive cases out of 865, it was 23, and then reported negative was 562.
So,
Okay.
to add to that question about Sikkim, they are making it mandatory. So does the state intend to do the same to make it mandatory to test all the security forces that are coming in?
Oh yes, that is already in place. Right now it is already in place. I would like to inform you that we further strengthen the entry points. Now we further strengthen the entry points. Be it the armed forces, be it the civilian. They need to go through these two systems that we already have in place. Number one is, as I said to you, immediately rapid test has to be taken from the entry point, and thereafter RT-PCR sample will be collected.
Lalu apa yang mencuat pada Malaysia yang ada two-step movement is strictly prohibited.
Yes.
Right now, when you keep unavoidable cases, mungkin kalau apa, umum kita diberi balik cara kerja itu. Yo, itu orang yang
See, today, okay, I think now I take the question. Today in the review meeting headed by our Chief Minister, we have discussed all the details, pros and cons of this specific event that has happened on the 27th, as well as when they come back. Again, small reception has taken place somewhere in Shillong. Immediately after coming back from that border Khanapara, straight again to Shillong, and the second they had one small reception of the bride and groom. So we discussed all the detail about this, and ultimately, because yesterday we have already instructed both the Deputy Commissioner to conduct inquiry to all these lapses that has happened. So tomorrow we are getting the report from both the Deputy Commissioner. One is East Castles and number 2 is Ripoy District. And then once the report is in place, tomorrow we are going to take a decision finally. So right now still I can't say who has committed lapses, that still we cannot say much. But I'm telling you, we have taken note of this from the government level, and we will make sure that no lapses again happens in future.
이게 이번에 주제, 이거 한 주제, 이거 아니요, 주제 이거 잘못 이거 상산.
Yes, no, yes, that is the point I'm telling you. That is the point. See, all the nitty-gritty will be only known tomorrow when the report is placed to the government. Once it is known, once we go through all the details of the inquiry report, then only we will come to a conclusion. But let me just tell you, let me warn today, this evening through all of you, kindly communicate this to all the citizens of the state. You cannot play, just please not play life. Anybody who are responsible, they will be put to mind. That is the message that I would like to tell you. Anybody who does not comply the protocols, the notifications issued by the government from time to time, they will be put to mind. That's what I'm telling you. Please wait till tomorrow when we receive the inquiry report from both the deputy commissioners. Then only I'm telling you we will be able to tell you exactly. Okay?
Alang dah kasi saya tumpa. Kambiang merah kasi. Setulang dia.
Sorry? I think my reply is very clear. I said they will be put to bar. Kabamut kaan kan mereka. Nagana I warning dia minta janji. Nakale the government. We really mean business, but inum ayla bakal lapses kan don hamnom. Lada kalom nakaliang ka official, lada kalom nagi panta. I'm telling you, we should not allow this kind of things to happen.
So when the government's direction has been very clear that people should restrict going outside the state. So on the ground, the Deputy Commissioner has issued permission for attending weddings.
Well,
I
please.
remember clearly, you
Yeah.
have stated that except the medical emergencies.
Yeah, except in few issues like medical or maybe somebody expired these times. Okay? It was there. That's what I'm telling you why we immediately asked inquiry report from both the deputy commissioners, because we really wanted to know exactly why this incident has happened, why it has happened. Therefore, they will be patient with us. We are also concerned and will not be able to sleep well also, just because of this incident that has happened, or just because of the errors which is unnecessarily committed. I think that cannot be tolerated. Okay?
ini kita cakap,
Oh.
mana kita cakap, lah ini ini orang ni langsung politik secara
Kini baru kita kemilayo sa puingut kita kelaban bertahap garansi saya. All of them. Direi nakaliang jo ka health department, nakaliang jo ka team jo ki doctors, ki nurses, ki staff baru menta kita kaya ia kanika ka contact tracing. And today evening we decide to habo ka review meeting jogi ba IDHS in the public notice yo manu ki atendo bat kini ki brave yo kidon kanu ka kontak kabayan batno bakin skau bahana dun tari janbit bakin immediately kin phone yo number sis patra kenang ba ka health department ke sarkar karna banle iya kata kadai ka ba nilarai meneru ba ka public notice will be issued by the health department requesting those people who happens to be in contact or in close contact with these persons who are already now in the quarantine centers in different places to kindly immediately report. But I can report would call yang 108 kenang baka sarkar kan lah balik yang berikut.
Akan mesti dikatakan yogi Pak. Umno ni lah report saya kata yogi.
Now via notification will be issued. Kita sudah prime dan shiphan. Hapok review meeting. But dia kata ketika kamu job office, buat bagi isu yang ketika public notice, kumno ban detail yang kita.
Dikatakan yogi.
Ngapa ngepi bagi detail nadok sedang ngatrai langsung. Okay.
So of these 41 people, how many have been tested positive?
Come again?
Of these 41,
41, 2 of them they came out positive. And then 39 they came out negative. But still I am telling you today in the review meeting, we don't just take chances. Maybe after few days, artificial samples again will be collected to reconfirm whether they are positive or negative totally. Kalau mentaya ia kan ke detail ni patlo, teringin saya ke detail. Balong kanu ki standard students, lani kanu ki bateri sabar, jom ke jelah. Lani kanu mut ki bawan let's say officially na bataban juanya ka kam jam juki, lani ki bawan on transfer kan bade. Te komo bi kata detail ni patlo. Te ia kata kinsa hak compile na kaya concern department lani na kaya na concern deputy commissioners lembaga NGO.
Jumlah rumah korban pasti kadang ini berikut. Jom kita baru buka jelas dalam ini standard citizen itu bersuara untuk bayar jadi nanti boleh pas jelas nanti kadang yang nombor kita.
Oh, kita idol deh. Bang bina ka exit but entry point idol. Yaki details joki. Lagi orang haki exit, lagi haki enter. Kamu kata por koi idol. Amar ke haki yang bah. Dan kita bi sabaru, kamu ke haki yang bah kayak exit point. Nanti kita baru coba ke hapan dia bah juga entry point.
Doctor, can you tell us about the status of the child? Has it been already sent back to Arunachal?
Yes, already they did Arunachal today early in the morning and last night also has been performed.
Again, through all of you, this is for the interest of the citizens of the state. Kindly communicate this to all the concerned citizens of the state. Though I won't say that we should be panicked, but what I am saying is, the situation is not conducive. Situation is not conducive. Therefore, to all of you, I would like to request each and every citizen of the state, kindly refrain yourself to the maximum to any unnecessary exposures. Kabang kepat lemba jambi ki bidia ki baju ya train kan bagi government nak bentang bantip lang ki pai ba masuk nom jo jela ngakwa bagi tu ya pi ba hadu mentarasni ka situation hapo bajela jumi kamde toha kamha nrejimde pat bante kabang kerpat lemba jo bisngom ha island yang kena buat pat kabang nak kerpat nak kalian terserka kalomba ni kerpat rit kum ke surga ya uwei pak uwei ke nok snom nak jela jumi bakin dia kan bala ban numi than saba lane banwan sislo lane banle chenokpo lane syakan ko be jaka ke bagi sniu de kam ke snodon kam banle lada inde ka kam ka badon kam kin snow ba ban take care le banya dai ti ban hadu ta ho isgumu bawli trainer udon rekat bangi kampat don katakan commodity spread, mereka ong ia pi ke situation kam hak ni ke klimat ke bang ni klimat pi kum kinong ai ke war nak minta ke jintip jom di pajak ke jalan. Di negara daun klimat itu di semua, nak kalian menjadi ke pengikir klimat island dia kena jintip siapa kinong syong ke joni, bakin long kiba usia kiba sumar yang jadi yang kebom don kam semua wat yami wat yayat wat yeng keling saudom kumbang OMP nang bangila ban kontrol kan bala ya kajing saprian unir punya jingpa.
Sir, as on June 30th, we had only 10 active cases, and which has now gone up to 50 active cases. Considering the fact that you have mentioned the situation is not conducive, is there any possibility that lockdown will be again imposed in the state of Meghalaya or in certain areas?
Well, I think right now I will not say anything on that. But if the situation worsen or if the situation continue to be grim, I think we have no option. This is a message I would like to tell you. Therefore, I would request, I would appeal to all the concerned citizens of the state, kindly refrain yourself to the maximum to the exposures, which is unnecessary.
Protocol, state government का monitor करने वाले का जिन्होंने जिम्मा लोगों को BSF का माहौल में और फिर उनके contact teachers different staff in BSF to verify.
Oh, ya kata, we monitor. That's why we shift ya kini report tik patidu. Dan alih jom kahel department kila ya kata kabar. Not necessarily. Because come kata. Hinbu beras muda bagi katim di doktor skin nurses ladon lebar. Kamu kam kata.
Di hospital aja.
Maka di hospital lagi juga. Tenai kain ke monitor ke balik nak kalian kahel department ke lomba. Kadon ka close coordination of the authority jom ka health department lembai jom IDHS rengkat bat ka authority hospital jom ka military but kumju rup jom biasa.
Sir, the other day, if I'm not mistaken, ODHS had mentioned that even testing is not being done in the BSF hospital but is being done through the state government. So we wanted to know clearly whether test is being done separately in the BSF composite hospital or in totality we have taken the test through the state government.
Yeah, this is done by the state government and after the sample is collected, it is sent directly to negatives. Then only we will be able to tell you whether positive or negative.
And till now, how many, and what is the capacity of the state as far as testing of these samples is concerned?
The capacity of testing in negative?
In the whole state,
645 samples can be tested in a day.
645 on daily basis.